Hi friends, today we see how to download free AutoCAD and Revit, okay, for student and educators. Okay, let's see. First you go to Chrome and search Auto Autodesk. Sorry, Autodesk. Okay, you search here. See here, Autodesk Education and Student Access. Okay, click here. Then you see here, student and educator can get free 1 year educational access to Autodesk product. Okay, confirm your eligibility. Now here you see Get Start button. Click here and here what you have are students, are you educator, what you have. Okay, click here, I'm students, that's why I'm here. You put your date of birth. Here you create your account. Okay, first of all you create account. You have already account AutoCAD, you go directly sign in and download. If you don't have, create a account. Here you your first name and last name put same as it is what was there, your mask card or your student ID, what there is name same as it is, fill here. Okay, because after here you email and confirm email password. Here click the button after create account. It will be ask your proof like student ID, institutional ID and mask card, because they will check. Okay, their name, what you given, that name should be same as it is. Okay, please carefully fill the details. Okay, after you create account, after 24 hours, uh, they will send you email. They will send a email. If it is correct, you will got the access 1 year free. If it is not given, okay, if it is not given, got the email, you check it and again. Okay, after you 24 hours you confirm are eligible, you come to Chrome. Then same as it is Autodesk, click. Okay, same. Then you go to this website. Okay, after 24 hours confirm your email. Then you come to here, same as it is, Get Start. And then here you see you already have an account, okay, created already. Then you sign in. Here you put email. Okay, what was you done. Okay, click next. Then password, what was you created. Okay, sign in. After you sign in, here you see your educational access to Autodesk product is valid through as much day what you have. Okay, got it in Gmail. Okay, after you scroll down, here you see Revit, AutoCAD Mac, 3ds Max, all them apps available. Okay, I want AutoCAD, that's why I'm going to this. Here you know 2D and 3D CAD. Okay, then here you click get product. One thing you should remember, here see platform Apple and platform Windows, you should know about this. Okay, here you see version, which version you want, 20, 21, 22, 23. I want this version, that's why click here. After you click, here you see install and download. Here go download, you click here. After you download, install this, and here you see this type of, first you open, they will ask you your account, email and password, put same as it is what you created on in website. Okay, after you complete your sign in, here you option new, you click here new, create your new project. Okay, that's it friends, thank you for watching.